New Year! And may all your dreams come true.
And this was our 2017 year so far. We've started our journey with a trip to Budapest, where we've experienced a pillow fight in Hero Square. Then we've tried a traditional goulash soup, very tasty. And after that, we've let us driven by the vibe of the city and started experiencing it more.
After that, we went to Milano.
Our second trip was in Milan. We fell in love with Italy from our previous trip to Rome. In Milan, we had an amazing time and met awesome people, like Marco, who is a tour guide and showed us the surroundings.
Come to Milan!
We came across the Human Skull Chapel. We tasted the goodness ice cream, pizza and aperitivo. We saw funny statues and stayed at a 4-star fancy hotel, who was very cheap, by the way. After that, I had a major event. I graduated.
In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through.
I am happy that I had the opportunity to read 30 books.
Boy, you feel my lungs
And after that, we went to Stockholm.
and you feel my head.
Right away, the capital of Sweden amazed us with all that it has to offer. We had 3 days full of sunlight, shocking for Stockholm climate. And that's the reason Stockholm remains in our hearts. We were able to visit all that we proposed and even more. We tasted Sweden's famous dessert in an old cafe from 13th century. Visited the Vasa Museum.
The sun is coming through. Boy, you feel my lungs are sweet now.
Going on a ride with a ferry boat.
Fill my head with you.
And visited Stockholm. We came in Romania to make a cultural video about Sighișoara that went viral on Facebook. Then made a video about things to do while you're at the Untold Festival.
Get out. Can I be close to?
And of course had an amazing time at the festival. Came back to Budapest, where I discovered a castle that is not so touristic, and made a video where I gave you tips and tricks on how to get there. I had a university trip to Maramureș, where I visited Săpânța and the only performing steam train in Europe called Mocănița. It was an amazing experience.
And for the Christmas market, we went to
Brussels!
Yay!
We went in our journey in the Christmas market, where we've listened to Sia's Christmas songs, enjoyed the famous Belgian fries, drank hot wine and discovered the beauties of what Brussels had to offer. And most especially spending 17 euros on one way from the airport to city center. Making a short trip and freezing in Antwerp. Thank you 2017 for the amazing experiences. If you want to know tips and tricks about this series, be sure to subscribe and like this video. What made your 2017 special? Till next time, have a safe trip!